Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
The face of Hadi. No, we flipped.
Oh no!
Maybe like an airboat if you.
Maybe you can give air.
Air? How do we give air?
You just put
Let me see.
water
How about the quad?
Quad. All right, we got the foreign service rescue service. Mr. Ari is gonna try to rescue.
Hadi, stay away.
Ari, stay away. Just try to blow the boat back in.
And don't drown.
We are back in our old times, man. We used to do it a lot. Okay, you'll watch the wind blow on the water. You can easily see your location then. See, that's your location. Oh, oh, oh. Go in front of it and then steady. Now you start steadying, yeah? All right, downwards. Yeah, that's it. Keep this altitude and the away side. Yeah, keep it here, keep it here. And slowly, just keep it here, keep it here.
What about we ask that boat all the way there? No, there. Then that boat can come and take.
We'll just prepare our kayak next time, okay? The stress levels are really high, especially with the crazy gasser flying on above our heads. You're doing it, man. Almost there. Your job is not to let it float away. Leftwards a bit, left a bit. Okay, hold it here. You're doing very well. You help turning my head. Now I'm pushing it. Yes, that's the trick, man. We both are working like a team now. You're actually my rudder now. Oh, we lost it.
We're going to finish in the sea. The throttle on this.
All right, you're almost there, almost there. Almost there. Try to this way, opposite direction. How long are these sticks? Wow, this is a whole tree. It's coming. I got myself a tree! Oh! Come on, man! It was almost there! I can see it, it's right there.
You know what it was?
Battery went down? Oh man, it's down here, not very far actually. Hey, thanks for watching this video and thank you very much for your support towards my work. If you like this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated for all the upcoming exciting new uploads.